Hello guys and welcome back to my new vlog. So in this vlog I am going to review some products which I have ordered recently. So let's get started. So I have ordered 4 products from Mcaffeine. First is the body wash. Second is the body scrub. Third is the body lotion. And fourth is face scrub. So the first product is Mcaffeine Raw Coffee Face Scrub, which comes in a regular and convenient tube size packaging. The tube is medium in size. It contains cocoa powder, walnut, hibiscus, coffee, caramel, vitamin E, caffeine, argan oil and glycerine. Wet your face and squeeze the scrub on your palm. Take 2 teaspoons of amount for your entire face. Dilute the scrub with water and then apply it all over your face. Leave it for some 5 to 10 minutes and then wash off your face with water. So the next product is Espresso Body Wash. I really love the coffee cup packaging and also the freshness of raw coffee beans and the bold aroma of grounded nuts. I really love the product and also the packaging. So guys, the next product is Coffee Body Scrub with Berries. It's a creamy blend of refreshing coffee beans and vibrant berries like strawberries and cranberries. Gently exfoliate the skin while its delicious fruity aroma energizes the senses. Apply the scrub all over the body on wet skin. Gently scrub for a few minutes, focusing on elbows, knees and neck. Use this product twice or thrice a week for a better result. So guys, the last product is Coffee Body Lotion. Pump 3 to 4 drops of lotion into your palm. Gently massage the lotion over the body, especially legs, arms and dry areas. For best result, use it daily or whenever your skin requires some toning or moisturization. So guys, these were some of the products I ordered from Amazon. The product links are there in the description below. You can go and check it out. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow for more such videos.